What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Yes, you guys see it, man. We're back at it with a beater slash mystery box from our family over at Trusted Club. It's been a minute since we've done one of these. I want to say maybe 2 to 3 months. I want to say, I don't know. Don't quote me on it, but it's been a minute. If you guys enjoy this kind of content, don't forget to smash the like button. I know I say it in every video, but I'm telling y'all, every single click on that like button helps these videos get promoted for new viewers to watch, and it helps the channel grow tremendously. So please hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed yet, don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well. But without any further ado, let's get it poppin'. Woo! I feel like we're getting the juices flowing because I haven't done this in such a long time. It feels good to be back at it. Let's see what we got. Popping this thing open, and we're gonna feel around a little bit. Okay, we have some loose shoes first. This one feels like a jacket or a t-shirt maybe. Got some shoe boxes. Guys, what do I pick first? Let's go for the shoes. Loose shoes first. Let's just do that. Jordan 4s. Jordan 4s. I already feel the netting. Boom. Yo, this is what? For the first pull? Yo, this is a crazy first pull right here. We have some Travis Scott Air Jordan 4s. Bro, they're valuing this pair at $800. Let's go ahead and take a look at these joints, because I noticed one thing right when I pulled it out. We do have some scuffs over here, which could be cleaned pretty easily, but look at this, man. Oh my, what happened here? It's scuffed right on that material. You guys see that? I feel like these are gonna be harder to sell. I gotta sell it for like a stupid good price. That's a pretty big flaw in my opinion, but there are people that are probably out there that wanna beat these things and they're looking for a deal, so maybe it's for them. Besides that little flaw that we had earlier, I mean, these are in okay condition. It's just this one, it kind of bugs me. These are a size 10. And if you guys are interested in anything you see in this video, I'll have it go live tomorrow on my website at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Shopsotopia.com, that is the website. I'll have it linked down below. And don't forget to set your timers, because whenever I do these drops, these things move quick. So once again, the drop will be happening tomorrow. Not today, tomorrow. We got a box here. What kind of box? Okay, we got a Jordan box. Boom. What are these? This seems like a very new box. So this is a size 5Y. Let's check it out. Oh, it has a receipt. Okay. It's lit. Aha. All right. We have some Toro Fives, baby. Honestly, I love the quality of the suede. I love how everything looks on this sneaker. Just red sneakers in general, they pop like crazy. And that icy blue, Lord have mercy on these things. I don't think they're reselling for too much. Bare minimum, I'm expecting retail, which was what, $154 on this receipt. So generally around that price. I do have the prices popping up on the screen. That's going to be the prices I'm selling them for, which is the competitive market price that I'm trying to get on all these shoes. All right, this is a little Cactus Jack tee that we have here. I'm not gonna open this because I like keeping, you know, the t-shirts and the packaging for you guys, but I will pop a picture of what this looks like on the screen. I haven't really been keeping up with the Cactus Jack merch, Travis Scott merch. I mean, I don't really like spending that much on t-shirts and stuff like that, so I have no idea what the price is on this. It could be low, it could be high, no idea. Anyways, let's get to another box here. This one is a Jordan box. We got some GS sizes, man. I don't really like seeing GS sizes. Size 6Y, Air Jordan. Oh, these are okay. I like these. As long as they're brand new and they look like this, let's do it. I don't mind having the GS size. At the store, it would be $250. I don't think they go for that much. But obviously at the store, you know, you're gonna pay a premium since it's there. If you're trying to hook up your girl, you're trying to marry this girl, these are the shoes for you, all right? If she's a side thing, I might have something for you if I find some Jordan flights in here. But for now, this is like if she's a keeper. Just kidding, guys, just kidding. All right, let's get to the next box. Ooh, okay. A Jordan 1 box with the wings on top. Different Jordan 1 box. This one is a size 8.5. Let's go ahead and check this out together. Oh my goodness. This is another money pair. These things are going for stupid money right now. And this seems to be The 2013 pair. So no Nike Air on the tongue. But look at the condition of these things. They're actually in very nice condition. So this box so far, stupid nice. Shout out to Trusted Club, man. It's a membership website where you pay $20 a month. But honestly, I get all of my boxes from there and all of them have been super smooth. They also have deals on some sneakers if you guys want to check it out. But some Chicago ones, baby. Size 8.5. That's money. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa. Look at, what? Peep the bottoms. This is great. I love to see it. I love to see it. So again, so far we're good. Let's keep the momentum going. We still have another box behind me that I need to get to. So let's go ahead and see what else is in here. This box is getting a little bit more empty. I want to say maybe halfway through. This box feels kind of thick. Thick with 2 C's. We got a Nike box. Size 14. Bro, am I gonna be able to sell these? Ooh, okay. Yo, I forget the name of these joints, but these are really nice. These are some very neutral gray. I'm just gonna call these the neutral gray Dunk Highs. Let's see if it has a name. White Vast Gray. That's the colorway on these. This is a pretty cool looking sneaker right here. A lot of people have been buying Dunks lately, so this is another solid one to have. The only thing I'm concerned about is a size 14. Do I have size 14 followers? I don't know. We'll see. If you guys have homies with big feet, tell them to hit me up. Ooh, we have more t-shirts. More rap t-shirts. Some Travis Scott French fry merch. What size is this? Size small. Boom. French fry t-shirt. I don't think I would wear this one. You guys do your thing, all right? Let's see. What is this? Oh, we got a Supreme and Aqua, like, little box logo tape looking shirt. It's called the No More Tee. Size medium. And again, I don't want to open these, so boom. Picture on the screen right there. We're just going to grab the last couple sneakers because it's feeling a little empty. These are the Yeezy 380s. I don't own a pair of these because they look like this. Yeah, not particularly my favorite looking sneaker. If you guys are interested in this pair right here, it is a size 8, I believe. Or no, size 9, my bad. Size 9. Good thing is the condition looks pretty nice. I mean, look at these things. Nice and crispy. So if you're a 380 fan, you do your thing, all right? These just aren't for me, but they might be comfortable. I don't know. They look kind of comfortable. Boom. A Jordan box. Size 10.5. Let's get it and let's go. Ooh, these are actually nice. Have I been sleeping under a rock or something? Guys, look at this. That was a good one. What? I was so confused at first. I thought this was a freaking fragment mid that came out that I didn't know about. This is painted on. Like they did some Angelus work or something. I was like, bro, when did these come out? I've never seen these in my life. But yes, these are some green Air Jordan 1 mids. They have some nice suede. Condition's pretty good on this pair. It looks like it was maybe worn once or twice. I can't even tell. But that fragment logo right there. Don't let that fool you. It's painted. It's a custom. Somebody custom these. That's crazy. I was like, bro, how come I never seen this pair? Alright guys, let's go ahead and check out box number 2. This box is a lot lighter than the other box. So we might be having more, I don't know, apparel, clothing maybe? What kind of shoe is this? Jordan. This is a Jordan 10. Alright, I don't know the colorway, but it's a Jordan 10.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
I need to delete this channel. Bro, I felt this inside. It feels like, you see the holes in there? It feels like a lining on the Jordan 10s. Whatever. All right, that didn't happen. We got some interesting Nike Dunk Highs here. I've never seen these ever in my life. Let's see what year this is from. These are 2009 edition and they are size 11. If I could find any information on what these are called, I'll let you guys know. I'll keep you in the loop. But for now, I've never seen this in my life. Nice construction, nice material. Condition, pretty good. No box. Size 11 if you guys are interested. And look at the tongue work. Peep the tongue tag. Interesting. What is that? Okay, we have some Ultra Boosts. triple black Ultra Boost right here in a size 12.5. Perfect for summer, actually, since summer's coming up. If you guys need some workout shoes, you need some hiking shoes, boom, I got you. Size 12.5, triple black Ultra Boost, worn condition, but not bad. Yo, I feel like all the boxes are jumbled up in here. Okay, you see this? Look at this. Jordan 1 box. What? What is going on? We got another pair of Chicago ones. This is the second pair, but this is not the 2013. This is the most recent release. Uppers aren't in bad condition, but I noticed, look at this piece right here. Homeboy was dragging his heels in these, and the tongue looks like it could use some cleaning. So, I don't know, condition, not the best, but it's crazy to see that we got two pairs of these. Again, stupid heel drag on this pair. Size 11.5. Looks like they're gonna charge $1,200 at the store. But once again, 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time tomorrow. All right, shopsutopia.com. And I also have sneaker cleaner that I just released. So if you guys would like to get some sneaker cleaner, I got brushes on there, the full solution, all that good stuff on the website. This is a Yeezy box. This is a Yeezy box. Yeezy 500, okay. Size 10.5, my size, okay. Ooh, okay. I don't know the name, but I like this color. With the gum bottoms, not bad, not bad. I don't think I could see myself rocking this per se, but I do like the purple suede on here. That's really nice. And bottoms, a little dirty. Price that they had it at the store, $240. So these will probably be on my store for a lot cheaper. Oh, this box is almost done already. I might as well peek at this point because it feels, I could pull it up with one hand. So it feels very empty. I think we have maybe 2 sneakers left. I'm gonna go ahead and look, all right? I'm gonna go ahead and look. Yo, we have 1 sneaker left. This thing looks kind of big though. This goes perfect with the Tesla tee. We have some Court Purple 1.0s in a size 12. That is crazy. Size 12. These are in pretty good condition. Midsoles could use a slight cleanup. Look at the outsoles though. Another money sneaker. They don't hit as hard as the Chicagos, but these do have some value, all right? Not bad at all. I believe that's it for this box. Now that we unboxed all of the sneakers from these boxes, let's go ahead and do some calculations to see if this box was worth it. Of course, we're gonna put our initial cost of the box first. As y'all saw, for every single sneaker, I listed the competitive market price that I will be pricing them at, and that should give me approximately this number right here. So if we go ahead and take that number and subtract our cost for the box, that will leave us this profit right here. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think about this box. Do you think it was worth it? And should I keep buying more from my homies over at Trusted Club? Let me know down below, and let me know if you guys enjoy these videos. Try my best to incorporate them a little bit more on this channel, all right? I'll see you guys very soon for the next video. Don't forget the drop is going live at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time tomorrow, and I'll catch y'all very soon for the next one. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay. I'm out. Peace.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up, tan skin, mixed race, buttercup, Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa.